Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be talking about how to redeem gift card or coupon code in your McDonald's application. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? First things first, simply go ahead and open your McDonald's application and then add something to your cart by either clicking on order right now or anything you want to do. So simply go ahead and select your location first if you haven't already. So I'm just going to go ahead and do so. Once you've added something to your cart, all you need to do is head to the checkout screen. And on the checkout screen, you want to simply go ahead and select the apply coupon code option and then enter your code and then click on apply or redeem. The balance will be adjusted against your total bill. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.